The core functions best when the whole body works together. This sequence explores how different fascial lines support core strength and functional movement. Releasing areas of unnecessary tension, the body can organize itself more efficiently before applying strength. Rather than isolating muscles, this approach invites the body to generate stability through connection. Diaphragmatic breath plays an important role here, helping distribute effort through the system so the core can engage in a more integrated way. Strength becomes more efficient when the body moves as a connected system. Slow, intentional movement allows these lines to communicate, creating space, support, resilience, and more natural coordination through the body. Remember, movement is key, and if you don't use it, well, you lose it.